Hey guys, this is the day the 2005 Mustang will finish its journey. The owner's about ready to come pick it up. I'll be back with you in just a moment. Thanks.
I enjoy, and I appreciate y'all. Appreciate y'all.
You too. Appreciate y'all. Well, it's about to leave, y'all. She's sounding good. Kind of hate to see her go, but she's going to a good home. It's been a long journey, but we finally got to the end. We got some good folks taking her home. I'm glad y'all stayed on this journey with us. We appreciate your patience on it. And I'm going to get quiet so you can see this thing leave.
Hey, y'all be safe. Look, Kitty, wake up. Get in front of him.